Two LoRa modules, perfect wiring, still not talking to each other. This is where 90% beginners fail. In this video, I will show you the exact LoRa settings that decide whether communication works or not. Welcome to LoRa Mastery Part 0.3. In Part 0.2, we checked that the module is alive. In this video, we will configure the three most important LoRa settings: address, network ID, and frequency. Get this wrong, nothing works. LoRa modules do not auto-connect like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. They only talk when settings match perfectly. Think of this like a locked radio channel. Same channels, same rules, different IDs. First is address. Every LoRa module must have a unique address. Address is like a mobile number. Two devices cannot have the same number. Now, this sets the address of this module to 1. The second module must have a different address, like 2. Next is network ID. This is like a private group or room. Only devices with the same network ID can talk to each other. All modules must use the same network ID. Otherwise, they will completely ignore each other. Next is frequency. Different countries allow different LoRa frequencies. In India, we commonly use 865 to 867 MHz. Both transmitter and receiver must use the same frequency. Now comes LoRa parameters. These control range, speed, and reliability. Higher spreading factor means more range. Lower bandwidth means better stability. These settings are perfect for beginners. Let me repeat the most common mistakes. Different network IDs, different frequency, same address on two devices. One wrong value is equal to zero communication. You can verify your setting using question mark commands. Always verify before testing. If you understand this video, LoRa will never feel confusing again. This is the backbone of all future projects. In the next video, part 0.4, we will send our first real LoRa message. No Wi-Fi, no SIM card, no internet, just pure long-range wireless connection. If this video helped you, subscribe to Overall Technical Gyan. Watch the series in order. Links are in the description.